Climate change or global warming?
Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature and weather conditions or patterns of the Earth. These changes occur due to internal factors and some external factors, and it may be due to some natural factors such as changes in the solar cycle. The concerns have increased over climate change and global warming over the last few decades. It impacts the life of plants, animals, marine species, and other living beings on Earth in various ways. There are many reasons behind global warming, but the main reason for this climate change is human activities, such as burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. Because of global warming, a number of plants and animal species have gone extinct. These climate changes are having various harmful impacts on the ecology and ecosystem. Climate change began changing long years ago due to human activities, but we came to know about it after its destructive effects. When we started research on this topic, we learned that the temperature of the Earth is rising due to greenhouse gases, which is known as the greenhouse effect. The rise in temperature of the Earth's surface causes depletion of the ozone layer. The ozone layer is the layer that protects the Earth from harmful rays that directly come from the sun, such as ultraviolet rays. These rays harmfully impact plants, animals, agricultural land, water supply, and create several other problems. The rise in temperature of Earth creates volcanic eruptions, floods, drought conditions, poor water supply conditions, tectonic plate movement, which causes earthquakes, orbital variations, and many more problematic conditions. Due to these problems, the geographical conditions of an area become quite harmful for life to thrive. Men are in their need and greed doesn't stop their activities, which is the cause of global warming. Still, they continued their dangerous practices, such as using fossil fuels, industrial waste, creating air pollution, water pollution, and many more harmful activities. Nowadays, in Delhi, our capital, air quality is very poor, making it difficult to breathe in polluted air. These types of pollution impacted badly and caused diseases such as respiratory problems, eye irritation, and some other health issues. Due to global warming, people face problems of food and water scarcity. To stop global warming, we should start following sustainable goals. We should decrease the use of fossil fuels and start using climate-friendly activities. We can use electric vehicles in transportation instead of petrol or diesel vehicles, and we can also use renewable energy resources. The government should take some action to control pollution, and by doing so, we can make our future safe and Earth happy. Thank you.